Welcome to the channel. Here we master tricky words and their meanings. Today we're tackling the word recursion. This word may seem a little tricky, but by the end of this video, you'll pronounce it confidently. Let's break it down step by step. The correct pronunciation is recursion. First, we have re, which sounds like the word re. Next, cur, where the u is pronounced like in curl. Then jun, where the zh is like the s in measure, and the un is soft, sounding like un. Let's put it all together slowly. Recursion. Try repeating after me. Recursion. Now a little faster. Recursion. And at full speed. Recursion. Keep practicing, and soon this word will be easy to say. Now that you've mastered the pronunciation, let's go over the meaning. Recursion refers to the process where a function, method, or process repeats itself in a self-similar way, often by calling itself. It's a common concept in mathematics and computer programming, helping solve complex problems by breaking them down into smaller, manageable parts. And that's it. Now you know how to pronounce recursion and what it means. If you found this helpful, give this video a like and share it with others. Comment below with any tricky words you'd like me to cover next, and don't forget to subscribe for more pronunciation guides. See you in the next video.